Greetings, people. This time, attendance, okay, online test, examinations, and all this. Do all get a university colleges na secondary schools. Inside the one uni all by shim dem create him so what time make him and give him attendance record for students so all can make him exam, test, assignment, online submit. All can make it okay. Islam fraud detection to him stop. You go beyond the time or Islam live camera, but what everything him got potential to detect him. Cheat to so what them this application him continue him got trip which student student teacher, HOD, and student. Okay, how am ba Islam got some pia some sort of command center yang tayo apem HOD in such. So which means that nothing is official until the HOD signs it. So how am teacher signs it, sorry, signs in. Okay, a role is marked as for attendance. Okay, submitted to HOD. Okay, record log. Okay, approved by the HOD. HOD review for overrides any mistakes. Okay, HOD approved. Then official record will be kept. So as you can see, okay, let's first go to the teacher first. Okay, the no teacher will come and just press this one or sign in. As you can see, sign in. Okay, for today, so this is the demo data. For good day, John. Okay, John Peter, Computer Science Department. Today, 20 August 2026 was submitted. Pending. Okay, that will be shown according to the teacher's dashboard like that. For today's computer science lecture started. Today's lecture started at 8 o'clock, so it's still pending. Okay, the teacher who specialize in computer science will come in and get start. Once start session is active, so HOD will see what's really happening. Okay, we'll see live. This one is active, as you can see. Or session is active. Once empty is finished, okay, attendance for student, you can come here present or absent or late. Press him, suppose all present, then just press him present or absent or late or isla. And basta po siya. Once I'm satisfied, all of them, okay, 12 as you can see, 12 present, 0 late, okay, absent 0, excuse them 0. So total number of students, and 12 so almost as you can see on this data. And then satisfy them by saving as a teacher attendance of the students as you can see. And once save them by Salim goal of HOD by pressing the submit button to the HOD as you can see. For the them submit him, now I'm waiting approval of HOD. So that's the teacher dashboard. Okay, on the same note, as you can see, for database system, the teacher will just come and start. Or if he or she wants to create a test, come natural and can press here. As you can see, database test title, 1M duration time of a question, and by creating the add question about creating once you can share any question previously like okay, option A B and you say once you want to finish, you can just only save here, and now you can submit call submit results and can submit call one. So you okay now online exam, you can create the exam. Okay, live for students. So today test them live for students. Once finish them, submit result. As you can see, result await for HOD approval. Now I'm submit. Online example can create them in real time like this. It's still in the teacher's dashboard. So we'll go to student and HOD as well. This one is another subject. Likewise, as I've already explained, once totally satisfied, they can just press save here and then submit to HOD. For HOD over review and then official approve. Now we'll go to HOD. As you can see, Islam, the HOD has full control over this application. So when it's an come up, HOD by approve override manage staff and courses export reports, review flow text like if you cheat on exam or something like this. Okay, nothing becomes official without this office. That means that the entire command center is under the control of the HOD. So let's go inside and check the HOD control center. That's the demo that as you can see. You can come here, welcome Dr. Amos, you for full authority. Okay, that's the HOD as you can see. For overview, student institution, okay, department attendance, computer science, and so emotion. Not started yet, okay, and can come and check, or not started yet, not started yet, and by looking emotion. Okay, recent activity, Dr. Amos signed in as HOD month. Now, campaign shows him, okay, can sali reminder, as you can see, missing his attendance. Okay, no, force log as absent, can sa. Okay, so can salim reminder golem. On okay, as you can see, on okay, can just press him. Relog as many times as IT systems like cause him. Now, I'm absent, press him force log as absent. Now, you can see log as absent, record him now. Now, come here. Okay, my approval spam. My signing was pending and recent submission, one teacher misalnya example John Peter pasalin mbalo course mathematics hello date review mungkin review finish mungkin just open him no one is anin the mathematics and couple student and mathematics teacher attendance plan pasal all student or present like magi finish them when submission detail plan submission time plan room number pero so written to teacher the present can press it la nasali la message if not you can just press approve and log as official as you can see number of official mathematics attendance is now official. Yeah, how is the system operate? Waiting for the exam approval. If the exam, for example, IT or communication system quiz one is after, okay, the teacher will collect the test and then submit to the HOD. HOD can then see the review if the test is conducted is good. Or can salim go back load. Simply by pressing written here. As you can see, just then number type one the why it is in them. Salim go back like conduct again. So you want the again. Nam can salim go load teacher but no can just you can see send to teacher. Written to teacher start down. Okay, ma'am. Which question number correct answer? You can look at not submitted yet. Live open details. Ma'am, our exam now, remember. Okay, suppose I'm satisfied, them can just approve him. So if not, no. Okay, ma'am, live exam monitor. That means that there will be no cheating or fraud happening while during your exam because every camera will be turned on. Okay, a system inside will detect whether you are cheating or not. That's live exam monitor. As you can see, exam live currently taking one submitted. Then back up, okay, 19 normal. Okay, example, I want abnormal or normalities. I'm pressing monitor all. In real time, I have monitor filter limit, primary key, null values, everything. Here will be monitored in real time. That's for the live exam. Okay, that's for integrity review. So currently, I have like camera for signal alone your fails as student. So for integrity, like any review never happened, accusation or like for your bad integrity, I'm showing there automatically during the exam. Okay, that's for teachers. Okay, all teachers and HOD and pakam na lugim. Ani lo department by the staff tol one course of mani sa department. O is la course number collective or not active. Em can edim dupla teachers sabos all come inside lo department edim. Okay, course name o all no active lem inactive em stabe. Okay, deactivate o so active em can deactivate him. Inactive no em can sim dupla teacher activate like sorry like that. Okay, that's for students. Dupla students will come in. Em can edim em pakam aposem as you can see. 8 student and by writing Muslim or one course of team yeah attendance percentage okay flag for review okay attendance flow go on limit I'm no need for flag review so I'm just letting my attendance go down as you can see I'm giving a write up normally like that for the HOD to have question them for why and all this okay I'm applying to student okay student finish I'm approval pending in recent submission I'm can open the logo and now teacher course date status why number I'm can look okay present today absent. Okay, now the family has been approved. No, no FedEx. First, one me submit you black and thing stop. John Peter room number. October student first me submit now come start. Let me now HOD this problem below. So exam approvals. Student okay courses and schedule. Must have kind. So everything is in such by the HOD. So I'm report like daily attendance CC report. Come some can just press your send okay. Automatically attendance. Download PDF file as you can see. Don't can we like this one. Low report can present to say report. Remember, just one click and automatically PDF download. Overall monitor. Okay, that's fraud or edit any marks like cheating or like this will be shown here. As you can flag my no automatic action was marked. You can review okay full edit log late submission. Okay, recent blame but that will be stated below for it to be reviewed. Okay, so that's for the HOD. Okay, finish you can just sign out to see email style. Because it's private and every system will be managed by the HOD. Okay, after this we'll go to students section. As you can see, okay, teachers na HOD finish. Now we will go to student. Okay, a student, Macambia check your attendance percentage and raise a dispute if something's wrong. Like if you have any complaint about your attendance remark, you can just send a message and will be seen by both the teacher and the HOD. So you can just come here. Okay, that will be the students dashboard. So you can see your attendance, my attendance, for demo data, grades, Womyo, okay, student number, or that's the ID for the student, or computer science, CSS, maths, IT, and only. Okay, that's the overall percentage scored by grades 1. It will be shown like this. Okay, total lecturers attended, okay, presented time, okay, absent. Total, as you can see, it's 48, okay, absent 6, present 42, okay, late, it's 2, so total of them is 48. Late is not. Okay, if the student have any dispute or complain about the result shown, simply can come here and express him, raise a dispute. Like, I attended last lecture but not recorded on my dashboard. Not just submit dispute plan, as you can see, enter for final review. Okay, now for upcoming exam, it will be shown like that. For another, if you have any test or exam or something like that, if you have any test, online exam, test, assignment, everything, only new should be shown here. Upcoming, so your result will be, once you set for the test, it will be shown down here, my result. Okay, that's upcoming exam. It's for data, sorry, demo data. You can open this, but right now, it's not allowed. So you have to open camera assisting protocol will be enabled. Your can tap will be focused, be monitored for integrity flare reviewed by the HOD once started. The timer cannot be paused. Okay, as you can see, this will be the instructor to avoid the cheating fraud as I've explained earlier. Okay, this will give you the notification. You'll just press OK, then you'll cheat for the exam. Like which, this is for the computer science. As you can see, the questions will be like that. You are in a live game like this already recorded. So whatever suspicious happens will be questioned. You can just press next, 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 and then once finish, you can submit like that. You test it forward to it. Yeah, it's done, and thank you for watching this. Soon we will be reaching out to PNCNM, adding all responsible authorities and education minister to implement the system for every colleges and universities, high schools and secondaries to be used this system. Thank you for watching this video.